Hello, my Facebookerians, Facebooky people, Facebook cookers, something like that. Hi, I'm going to share with you a quick family recipe. This one comes from my mother. Ignore the chicken with the Brussels sprouts and the rice. I am not cooking those for you. This is chicken thighs with Brussels sprouts, which a lot of people aren't going to like anyway. But anyway, so chicken thighs with Brussels sprouts and rice, that's dinner. But what I'm making for you right now, my mother used to make this recipe all the time. Very simple, very good. It's a dip that we would have holidays, special occasions, Tuesday nights, whatever the reason was, we would make this dip. When she would come to my house and make it, when my daughter was little, after my mom would leave and whatnot and we learned the recipe, we actually tripled the recipe and split it up evenly in 3 small containers. And everybody, when you finished your dip, that was it. You're dipless. Because one person could easily sit down and eat all of it. And I did add one little ingredient to it, and I'll show you. Anyway, I think you can see in here, I have cream cheese, a whole block of cream cheese. I have half of a small onion. I've got about a tablespoon of garlic. I have about a half tablespoon of fresh dill. And this is what I added to it. Willie B's Barbecue smoked jalapeno garlic salt. Go to Willie B's Barbecue on Facebook or on the web, Willie B's Barbecue. It's up in Michigan. This is my nephew. And I am so addicted to this, and anybody else who has tried this smoked jalapeno garlic salt is addicted to it too. We put it in scrambled eggs and everything. Anyway, that's what I'm adding to this. So what I'm doing, again, a block of cream cheese, half a small onion diced up small, tablespoon of garlic, whether you've got the pre-mashed up garlic that you're using or do a couple cloves, half tablespoon of dill, and a half teaspoon smoked jalapeno garlic salt. There's one more ingredient, but before we get to that ingredient, we're gonna beat this up real quick. La, 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 la. La 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 la. Here we go. Okay. So whip that all up. It's got a good mash to it. Now look, folks, this is a tried and true old family recipe. And there's many of you folks, when I share this, Judy, you've had this. Stephen, you've had this. Lisa DeLuca, you have had this dip. And you can all testify. Stephen doesn't remember it, and so he didn't try it the last time I made it, but I'm sorry. I'm calling you out only because you're online and I saw your name, sorry. So anyway, the last ingredient for this dip, don't be a hater. I made this for church one night, a lot of people ate it. A can of tuna fish, drained. I know. People are going, tuna fish, tuna fish, tuna. Yes, tuna fish. Put your can of tuna fish in there and whip it up. I don't know what it is about the tuna that adds to this thing. But it is absolutely amazing. I gotta mush this down with my spatula to make sure I'm getting it all in there. Okay. So I'm whipping it up. Okay. Now, this is best eaten with these kind of crackers, the little I'm telling you. It needs to go in the fridge for about an hour to chill and bring its life together and whatnot. Give it a try, people. It is so good. So good. So go ahead, try it. My mom's tuna dip. So good. Have a good night.